Prasad. Today my topic is solving this problem. Nothing but solving this equation. This comes under compiler design subject. Here our topic is parser. Parser is nothing but, you know that, syntax analyzer. Syntax analyzer means finding errors in our program. When you type a program, the compiler will check the errors, right? That will be done either top to down or bottom up. Top to down parser or bottom up parser. Here our topic is first and follow. First and, this is a theory. With this we will solve this problem, we will solve this equation. First and follow are two functions. Or we will call it as methods in Java. Two functions. This is the expression or equation. S tends to capital S tends to alpha, capital A, small a and beta into multiplication in between. This is the multiplication symbol. Whereas S is a expression or equation or non-terminal. Come closer. Expression, equation or non-terminal or some production. Alpha is a string, non-terminal. Capital A is a non-terminal or production. Right? Small a is terminal. Right? I wrote in capital letter. Small a is a terminal, means end value. There will be no next values. Beta is a string, is again non-terminal. Yes, for this equation, expression, we are writing parse tree, right? This is a parse tree, right? S tends to alpha, here the written like this because this is a string, some expression is there. S tends to capital A again have a production, that is small c gamma, alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are strings, means terminals or non-terminals or any value will be there. S tends to small a is terminal, end value. S tends to beta, right? Beta, again some expression is there here. A tends to small c is a terminal. Small c and small a are terminal points, end values. Gamma is a string, right? Again one more production is there. A tends to small c into gamma. Here for finding that, first of A means C, right? Because here C is the first value. First means before value, right? First of A is C, this is first. Follow of A is here. Follow of A, after A, what is A? Small a is terminal. So we are taking this one. See, first of A is B, follow of A is small a. We need to find out this. If we know this exactly, then we can solve the problem easily, right? First of A is C, because A is a non-terminal, it has small c into gamma. Small c is a terminal. We need to take terminal values only, right? Now coming to our expression or equation. For example, we have taken example, capital E tends to all capitals only, T, E dash. This capital letter shows that non-terminals. E dash, capital E dash tends to plus. Plus is a terminal symbol. Capital T, E dash. Or epsilon. Epsilon means, show you here. Epsilon means not null. Some move will be there. Some expression move will be there. For your knowledge, I have written this also. This shows null. Null means empty set. There will be no set at all, no move at all, right? Capital T tends to F T dash. This capital letter shows that non-terminals, means some expression will be there. T dash tends to into symbol F T dash. Into multiplication symbol is a terminal. Or epsilon. Same I told you epsilon story. At the end of my video I will show you this. Note the point and repeat my video, you will come to know that. Capital F tends to open brackets E closing bracket. Open bracket and closing brackets are terminals. OR, this shows that OR, ID. Here ID, close bracket, open bracket, multiplication symbol and plus symbol, these are terminals out of this. Remaining all are non-terminals, okay? Right. So I have drawn a table for this. Symbol, first and follow. So we have written E dash T, T dash F. E dash T, T dash F. Very simple. E is first value. What is E is first value? E is first value again T. T is not terminal. So what is T's value? F. F is again not terminal. F's first value is open bracket. So we have written open bracket as well as ID. So I will write for this. Show me here. F tends to open bracket ORR ID. We can write this. F tends to E ORR, F tends to ID. We can write both, right? Here F's first value is open bracket as well as ID also. So write F's this one. So here I have written, since first of E is equal to first of F, because non-terminals, first of F means first of F, open bracket ID. So first of E, nothing but first of T. First of T is non-terminal, first of F. Again F is non-terminal, first of F. Here we got the terminal points, open bracket and ID. Very good. So we have done this. Then E dash, right? E dash first value plus. E dash first value plus is a non-terminal, again epsilon, same like this. Same like this. Same example here, right? Same example here. Very good. So E's first value is plus and epsilon. Finish. This is also over. Then T. T's first value is F. Again F is non-terminal. F's first value is same. Open bracket and ID. Open bracket and ID. This is also over. T dash. Then T dash first value. T dash first value is star. Star is non-terminal. We can take that one. We need to take terminal points. Terminal, again epsilon. Right? This is also over. F. F same. F's first value is open bracket as well as ID. These are first values of this non-terminals. For follow, we need to find follow, right? Follow means next value, right side's next value. For example, here, follow of A. A's follow is small a. Small a is terminal. We need to take terminal values, right? For example, E's follow. What is E's follow? Right hand side. Here, some points we need to remember. For every end, we need to write dollar. First point, show me here closely. For every end of follow, we need to write dollar. Dollar means end marker, end value. For every expression, for every equation, if you solve, go on solving, you will get end value. So that indicates end value. So we need to write end for everywhere, follow. That is the one first rule. Second, right side, we need to take right side after follow means next value, right side next value. If you get epsilon or null, we need to go back. I will show you here. You will come to know. You repeat my video. Fourth one, if you get non-terminal of first value, we need to take the first value. This I will repeat. Don't worry. Next, is follow. What is follow? We need to take right side. Where is E? T E dash. E dash. This is epsilon. Here E is there. What is follow? Open bracket. Sorry, closing bracket. Closing bracket. So we can take that one. Okay. Then dollar as our first rule. Why dollar? Dollar is end marker, end value. Right. Very good. This is finish. Okay. This is finish. Then E dash. E dash follow. E dash. Yes, E dash is here. After E dash, nothing is there. After E dash, nothing is there. Then we need to go back. Say E dash, null back, E empty. No value is there. So we need to go back. We need to follow of E. We need to take E's follow. E dash next value is not there. E dash follow is not there here. So we have to go back and take E's follow. E's follow is closing bracket and dollar. Same value we have taken. Then T. T's follow. Then T's follow. We need to find. Yeah, T's follow is E dash. If we get non-terminal, we need to take first value. T dash. What is T dash first value? Plus and epsilon. We need to write plus. Okay, we have written. Then epsilon. Epsilon means again we need to go back for E dash. E dash follow. Open bracket, sorry, close bracket and dollar. Right, then T dash. T dash follow. T dash follow. Where is T dash here? T dash is there. After T dash, nothing is there. Same story. If we don't have anything, we need to go back. We need to take T is follow only. T is follow. Same we need to write plus open. F. F's follow. What is F's follow? Here. F's follow is T dash. T dash again it's a non-terminal. It's not a terminal. Right? So we need to find T dash first value. T dash first value is star. So we have written star here. We have written star here. Then epsilon. Epsilon means again we need to go back to T dash. T dash value plus closing bracket and dollar. This is follow. Same like here. But only thing is we have some rules. At the end we need to put dollar, because dollar is a end marker. After for any equation at the end we have some end value. So we need to put dollar. We need to go for right side. We need to check right side next value. If the next value is terminal, we can write. For example, next value is terminal. For example, F. E's next value is open bracket, closing bracket. We have taken. But whereas if it is non-terminal, we need to find first value. We need to find first value. Right? For example, E's follow. E's follow is after E terminal is there. So we have taken terminal, that is close bracket. Right? At the end dollar. These are the rules. You remember these rules. At the end we need to find dollar because end marker. Right side we need to take right side. After that value, after E's value, terminal is there, we can write. If it is non-terminal, we have to write first value of that. That will comes from here. After that we need to go back. If there is nothing, for example, T dash first value is, T dash follow value is, no, nothing is there follow. So we will go for T. Same. Right? You repeat my video. After the end of my video, I will show you this. Note that. If you understand this, this is very easy. Okay? You need to follow these rules. At the end of my video, I will show you this. Write notes. All the best. Thank you.